Hi there, and thanks for joining us. When working with hydraulic tools, it's vital to design your system to match the specific demands of the job. It's the key to working safely and efficiently. So what are the most common setups and what components are needed? Let's take a look at some examples for lifting with hydraulic cylinders. This first example shows a very simple and versatile configuration, suitable for many lifting and pushing applications. The pump example shown here is an air-driven pump, but this setup could also be used with a hand pump, electric pump, or a cordless battery pump. This next setup is for a double-acting hydraulic cylinder for more controlled load descent. The pump has a four-way directional valve for bidirectional flow control, and there's also a V66 valve for safer load holding, and a V10 auto damper valve to protect the pressure gauge from sudden pressure surges. In this next configuration, we see two single-acting cylinders, a manifold to split the flow, needle valves for individual cylinder flow regulation, and safety holding valves. In this four-point lifting setup, we double up on some components, and you will see a pressure gauge dedicated to each lift point, along with another one situated close to the pump. Whichever system you choose, it's best practice to include at least one pressure gauge to monitor system conditions and to help ensure safe disassembly of the system. There's many more possibilities, especially when using controlled lifting pumps. These more sophisticated solutions are capable of lifting from up to 48 lift points with pinpoint accuracy. Whichever setup you choose, safety should be your #1 priority. So make sure your hydraulic system is the right configuration for the job. Check your equipment for signs of wear, and familiarize your team with system controls, emergency stops, and pressure release mechanisms. That wraps up our system setup guide. Thanks for watching.